the number one thing that we hear from customers is, does this integrate with my ERP? And I think, a lot of people don't necessarily know what that means. But I heard it with you, right? Because, when we started working with you guys and having discussions, one of the first things that you guys mentioned was, well, does this integrate with our ERP? But I think a lot of companies don't necessarily know why that's important, but you did. And I'd love to maybe hear a little more about, why that question was asked early on. But why was it a need for whatever software that you wanted to use for this to integrate with your ERP system?
I guess to put it simply, is for accuracy of data, right? These ERPs, we revolve our business around them, and they're they're designed to work well in what I like to call a perfect world, right? And so under a perfect world situation, people enter data correctly. Everybody does what they're supposed to do. They populate the ERP properly. They use the right fields, and then everything just works magically well. The problem is that's not really what happens, right? We all know that everybody uses their ERP differently. There's still things of job boss that I still don't understand. And the accuracy of data is what I was looking for, because unfortunately, when the data starts coming in inaccurate or not on time, then that really does uh, hold our ERP down. And so that was actually the whole point of the machine monitoring, is I wanted to find a way to streamline that communication to our ERP to make our ERP more effective.